Now, these are a group of girls who have been hired to turn out what seems to be a very ordinary piece of routine work. They're soon to realize that there's something very unusual about the typewriter they're using. Let's join them in this little scene where this girl is finishing a line of typing. Now watch the carriage. Now, we have connected to that typewriter a very thin piece of wire which is controlled in a nearby room. And although a young lady can operate it normally, when we want to, when she turns that carriage to the right, watch what happens.
This typewriter, I'll tell you.
It's the first time for everything, I guess.
What?
I guess it's the first time for everything.
Sure, there's the first time for you being on Candid camera, too.
Oh, no. You're kidding.
I'm not. Don't drop that, please. Right through there. You're on Candid camera right now.
That couldn't be no. Really?
Yes, really.
Oh, you watch it happen to other people, but not me.
Yes, you. Right at this...
Got you breathing?
You
had this thing rigged?
Of course.